Thanks for tuning in. I'm STEK Michael, and I have with me Benjamin, Vice President of STEK USA, and we're going to show you 5 steps to help maintain your clear bra on this E46 Gen 3.
STEK Formula Wheel Cleaner, number 12. It's a pH balanced product that does change color when it's done reacting with the iron in your brake deposit on the wheel. It is a good idea to apply this product to a wheel that's cool and dry. That way the gel has an opportunity to stick to the wheel. You start in a systematic approach to it so you get all of your wheel coating. Is not a bad idea as well. If you just pay attention to the face of it, you'll get wheel cleaner to the back, but then go between each spoke and really do your best to get the product behind the wheel. I suggest a boar's hair brush to agitate some of the areas around the lug nut. And then if you just step back, and you can go to the next wheel, or you can just do one wheel at a time, but it does have enough working time to go back to the next wheel.
All right, guys, so we got number 12 wheel sitting on all those wheels, breaking down that steel and ceramic brake dust. And now we're gonna jump into the next step, which is foam.
Got our number 5, STEK Formula foam. Choose the device which you like to deliver it with, fill it up, set your pressure washer wand to the correct foam setting. And if you like to do it to a wet car, you can. I prefer to do it to a dry car. I believe that the rinsing is happening when you take the foam off, and this way it really sticks to the car. If you do put it on a wet car, it's gonna slide off much quicker. You're gonna be able to go through and rinse the car and the wheel number 12 cleaner at the same time. It doesn't take much time to apply the foam, but it sure does save some time cleaning the vehicle. Once you've applied the product to the car, go ahead and wait. You're gonna see what we applied to the hood here as we worked our way around. It's starting to run off and the foam's breaking down. So as it hits the dirt, it's gonna break down and lose suds. That's gonna indicate when it's a good opportunity to start your rinse cycle.
Next up is Formula 07, which is our bug remover.
It can be used after the foam, which gives the foam an opportunity to remove any loose bugs, and then this product can just be used to remove residual bugs. You can apply it to the windshield, above the windshield screen on the top 4 inches where you could collect bugs, and you could also do the backs of the mirrors. You collect quite a few. You don't need much product. It comes off quite well. Has a frothing sprayer so that it makes the suds, which is quite cool. Depending on the temperature outside, if it's really warm, you're probably gonna get about 20 or 30 seconds if you're washing outside. If you're inside a wash bay, you can leave it on for as much as 5 minutes as long as it doesn't dry. Do not let the product dry. Please make sure to rinse any of the bug remover off the windshield, even if you didn't apply it to the windshield. Gravity's real and it runs downhill. So go ahead and just rinse it. You don't want to have any stains on any black moonskin plastic inside the cowling area.
Now that we've gone through the bug removing process, we're gonna jump into my favorite step, which is shampoo.
All right, we've got our STEK Formula number 6. That's our shampoo product. It's 1.3 ounces per 5 gallons. That's 20 liters. So we're gonna go ahead and measure with the cap. It's about 1/3 of an ounce per cap. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4 makes 1 1/3 ounces. And then take your pressure washer and hit your bucket. That'll charge it up. It'll give it some foaming. And if you put your soap in first and try to fill a bucket, you're only gonna get about half water and the rest foam. So that's a really good way to go ahead and make your suds. Up to you if you want to use 2 buckets or not. I like to use 2 buckets. Reason is it gives you an opportunity to have clean water in one, to get your debris out of your wash mitt, and then you come into your lovely shampoo, STEK Formula number 6, and get after washing it. You can start wherever you want. I like to start on the top of the car. Reason is less dirt, water's clean, work your way down, finishing off your C-pillar, moving to the back window and the top of the trunk. Just halfway down, your mate's gonna wash the other side, also crossing over half of the vehicle so that we don't miss anything.
This beautiful M3 is all clean and washed, but we're not quite done. We still need to apply our formula finish, number 16, which is our quick detailer.
Formula finish, product number 16. What we're gonna do is apply it to this dry car. You can apply it to a wet car and rinse it off for some last step protection, although it's more for the dry vehicle. Go ahead and give a liberal application to the vehicle. Take a dry microfiber, dry clean microfiber, and go through and spread the product, flip the towel, and buff it dry. The product adds some minor UV protection, and it also adds a nice gloss and hydrophobic finish. It's not a long-lasting hydrophobic finish. It's gonna be for between washes or just dusting it off from in the garage before you go out for a Saturday cruise maybe.